Hello kids.
How are you? How are you, Aruna?
I'm good. I'm very happy.
I'm also good. Hey, children, it's something very important. Just listen, be carefully, okay? When you are using a sanitizer on your hands, just don't keep that hands in your mouth, okay? It is little danger. After coming to home, please wash your hands with the soap. Anything, whenever you go out, you touch something, do not put those hands in your mouth, not in the nose, nor in your eyes. So please be careful every time. Listen to your parents, obey to your parents. Okay, let us have some rhymes.
Okay, today I want to sing some Hindi rhymes.
Okay, I want to sing some Telugu rhymes.
Okay,
are you ready?
Yeah. Now kids, you all have to repeat. Yeah, stand and then repeat the lines after us. Okay? 1 2 3 4 आज शनि है कल इतवार 1 2 3 4 आज शनि है कल इतवार 5 6 7 8 याद करूंगा सारा पाठ 5 6 7 8 याद करूंगा सारा पाठ 9 10 इसके आगे 9 और 10 हो गई गिनती पूरी बस
10 numbers.
10 numbers. This is the counting ginti. How to count in Hindi.
1 से 10 तक.
Yeah. Let's count. Let's sing the rhyme again. 1 2 3 4 आज शनि है कल इतवार 5 6 7 8 याद करूंगा पूरा पाठ इसके आगे 9 और 10 हो गई पूरी गिनती बस.
Yay!
The counting is done. 1 to 10.
Can you tell me the numbers in Hindi from 1 to 10? 1 से 10 तक.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. धोबी आया कपड़े गिन कितने कपड़े लाया
कितने कपड़े लाया
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 कपड़े लाया. धोबी कपड़े ऐसे लाता है, ऐसे हाथ में पकड़ के या कपड़े में लपेट के ऐसे लाता है धोबी कपड़े.
Teacher, once again I want the rhyme.
Okay, let's sing it one more time. धोबी आया कपड़े गिन कितने कपड़े लाया 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 कपड़े लाया. Very good.
Now one Telugu rhyme.
Okay, no, I want to sing one more Hindi rhyme. I have 2 more actually. I want to sing 2 more Hindi rhymes, please.
Okay.
This is on Chanda Mama. Chanda Mama आओ ना दूध बतासा लाओ ना मीठी लोरी सुनाओ ना बिस्तर में सो जाओ ना. When do we see the moon? At night when we go to sleep. So Chanda Mama आओ ना दूध बतासा लाओ ना मीठी लोरी सुनाओ ना बिस्तर में सो जाओ ना. Now another Hindi rhyme on हाथी मेरे साथी. हाथी आया सूंड हिलाता हाथी आया. हाथी आया सूंड हिलाता हाथी आया. चलता फिरता हाथी आया झूम कर हाथी आया. कान हिलाकर हाथी आया. How does the elephant wave its ears? The elephant is a big animal with a large body and its ears are very big. So, कान हिलाते हाथी आया. One more time. हाथी आया सूंड हिलाता हाथी आया. चलता फिरता हाथी आया झूम कर हाथी आया. कान हिलाकर हाथी आया. Very good.
Clap your hands. That's
Now
nice.
time for some Telugu rhymes.
Yes.
Okay.
Aruna, you know Chitti Chitti Miriyalu?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
చిట్టి చిట్టి మిరియాలు చెట్టు కింద పోసి
పుట్టమన్ను తెచ్చి
ఇంటి అల్లం వారింటికి చల్లకునే పోతే అల్లం వారి కుక్క భౌ భౌ అన్నది నా కాలి అంచెలు గల్ గల్ అన్నది.
Can you sing one more time, Aruna, for me,
One more
please?
time, okay. చిట్టి చిట్టి మిరియాలు చెట్టు కింద పోసి పుట్టమన్ను తెచ్చి చెట్టు కింద పోసి అల్లం వారి ఇంటికి చల్లకునే పోతే అల్లం వారి కుక్క భౌ భౌ అన్నది నా కాలి
గజ్జలు
ఘల్ ఘల్ అన్నవి.
Next, we both can sit and play a small game.
చెమ్మ చెక్క.
Yes, చెమ్మ
I
చెక్క.
guessed it right.
Are you ready?
చెమ్మ చెక్క చెరడేసి మొగ్గ అట్లు పోయంగా ఆరగించంగా ముత్యాల చెమ్మ చెక్క ముగ్గులేయంగా రత్నాల చెమ్మ చెక్క రంగులేయంగా.
We forgot.
That's it. But before you play this, if you are playing the same with your family members, it's okay. If you are playing with an outsider, please use a sanitizer. Okay? Okay. Now time for an activity. Today we want to show you something related to monsoon season. Okay? This is an activity for monsoon season. You will be having these papers. I think you got these papers from school. So take one full sheet of blue paper, whatever color you have, and then one rectangle. This will become the grass, and one more to make a sprinkler. Okay? Now let's get started. And you just need to cut 3 circles and give them the shape of a flower. 3 beautiful flowers. Okay? Now let's get started. I have my full sheet. Then I'm going to cut some grass. I'm going to cut some grass. Fold this paper into half and then cut strips like this. You already have this video shared with you on the school group. So if you cannot follow the instructions, you can take a look at the video, watch the video 2 or 3 times, then you'll be able to do this. Okay? Now I have my glue bottle ready with me, my Fevicol. I'm going to stick this grass, green grass, on the blue paper. Okay? And then take another paper, a rectangle, make a half of the full sheet that you have. Then fold just the edges, the either side. Fold the either side like this. And then just stick the corners onto the blue paper. This is the blue paper. This is the grass. Now stick this on the blue paper. Okay? You have to stick the corners. Okay, so once you stick it, this is how it's going to look. Got it? Now we will give a handle to the sprinkler. We'll give a handle to the sprinkler. What is a sprinkler used for? Any idea? Yes, a sprinkler springs water. It sprinkles water. It sprinkles water on the plants. So now it's monsoon season, so it's good if you can plant some seeds in your house and start growing a garden. You know, we have some tulsi plants in our school. Then we also have some coriander. We have curry leaves. Yes?
We can put a small vegetable garden
Garden,
also.
yes. I started growing the garden in my house. I have some flower plants and then some hibiscus, flowers. And then I also have curry leaves. I have mint. I'm going to share with you some of the photos of my garden. Okay. So my sprinkler is ready with its handle. So once you stick it, this is how it's going to look. Now we need to give a spout to the sprinkler. So for this, you need to cut a long paper Oh, my paper is missing. Okay.
I think that's a pink color. One of these.
Okay, just cut a long strip. Okay. Take a strip like this and just stick it on near the sprinkler. Okay, and then take some flowers. I told you in the beginning of the video, you have to take 3 different color papers, cut them into flower shape. Now stick them on the grass. Okay, my sprinkler and the flowering garden is almost ready. That's it, I'm almost done. Okay, take a look at my
Wow, so nice.
sprinkler and my flower
Beautiful.
garden, and I'm trying to water my plants. Okay, so please do this activity and share the photos with us on your school group.
Do this, it's really very nice and very pretty. Okay?
Okay,
That's
now,
good.
now it's time for another story.
Yes.
Okay, now this story is in the course book UKG, and the story is The Lion and the Rabbit. Earlier we read the story about the
Hare and the tortoise.
The hare and the tortoise. Now this story is about the lion and the rabbit. In a forest there lived a lion, the king of the jungle, the mighty lion. But he's a very cruel lion. Every time he becomes hungry, he used to kill all the animals. He kills some or the other animal and he fills his stomach. So all the animals had a meeting. They said, let's take turns. Why should we give a chance to the lion to kill as many animals as it likes? Let's take turns, and each time the lion is hungry, we will go one by one. If today is the turn of a fox, the next time when the lion becomes hungry, a giraffe would go. The next time the lion becomes hungry, a horse would go to the lion to let him kill the horse. Okay, this way all the animals have decided to take turns. Then comes a rabbit. This rabbit, one day it is the turn of a rabbit. Then the rabbit thought, oh no, I don't want to be eaten up by the lion. What should I do? This is a very smart rabbit. This rabbit thought, let me get an idea. Let me think what I can do, how I can avoid this lion. So the rabbit got an idea. So the rabbit went to the lion and it said, oh mighty lion, you know what happened? He just went to the lion and said, oh mighty lion. And the lion was very hungry already. And he said, why are you so late? What took you so long? Then the rabbit said, oh no, Mr. Lion, I was coming to you, and on my way I came across another lion, and he looked much more bigger and much more stronger than you. And this lion was very upset. Oh, who could it be? How can anyone be stronger than me? And the lion said, I want to see that lion. So the clever rabbit took the lion to a faraway place where there is a well. And inside the well, you know what happens when you look into a well? There will be water inside the well, and you can see your own reflection in that water. So the rabbit said, Mr. Lion, I saw a lion inside the well. Take a look inside. this lion, he just looked inside and he saw his own reflection. So what this lion thought? Oh, there is another strong and mighty lion inside the well. Let me go get him. And the lion just jumped inside the well. So the lion got killed. He fell into the well and he got killed. And the rabbit saved all the other animals from this hungry lion. The end. That's the end of the story. So the moral of the story is there is no danger to a clever being. There is no danger ever that will come to a clever person. Read the story with the help of your mother or father and tell us the moral of the story.
Okay, once again we'll read the storylines. Once there lived a huge hungry lion in a vast jungle. All the animals were afraid of him because he would kill many of them for his food. They decided that each day one animal should go to the lion's den and offer as his meal. They asked the lion and he agreed. One day it was Rabbit's turn. He did not want to die. He got an idea. He went very late to the lion's den. The lion was very angry. He asked the rabbit why he was so late. The rabbit told him that another lion had stopped him on the way. The lion got very angry and wanted to see other lion. The rabbit took him to a well, and when the lion looked in, he saw his own face reflected in the water. He thought that it was another lion. He wanted to kill it. He jumped into the well and drowned. Thus the clever rabbit saved the jungle. All the animals in the jungle were so happy and their greatest enemy was dead. So what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is there is no danger to clever ones. So whenever you do anything, please think wisely. Okay? That's great. Happy weekend.
Enjoy your 2-day holiday. Okay, see you all on Monday.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.